24/7 teachers training. Our lesson by lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Number 0. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman publishers. Our books are based upon CPA method, concrete, pictorial and abstract. And the students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Let us start with introduction to number 0. Say Assalamu alaikum or good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Introduce yourself to them. Then ask them to introduce themselves. If some children are shy and hesitant to speak, the teacher is supposed to introduce them to the whole class. Learning objectives. The students should be able to read, write, and represent the number 0. Identify a set of 0 objects. Describe 0 as nothing. Compose numbers to 0. Tell the students that number 0 means nothing. Show a basket to the children and put some objects in it. Ask the children to count them. Repeat the activity with different number of items from 1 to 9. Then ask the students to close their eyes. Remove all the objects from the basket. Ask what is in the basket. When they say nothing, tell them the basket is empty. Concept taught easier. Tell them that 0 means nothing. Give more examples to clear the concept of 0. For example, pick something and ask, what is in my hand? Empty your hand and ask, now what is in my hand? Ask the students to clap their hands a number of times. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and 9 times. Then ask the children to clap 0 times. Explain that 0 means nothing and no one will clap. Play a game with children. Cut out 10 apple trees using the green and brown paper. Cut 45 circles out of red construction paper to represent apples. Glue 9 apples on one tree, 8 on the other, and so on, leaving one tree with no apples. Tag the trees to the bulletin board in any order with the children's reach. Write the numerals 0 to 9 on the labels, 1 on each label. Punch 2 holes at the top, thread them with yarn, and knot the ends to make a loop. Place them in a basket or envelope at the side. Invite children to hang the labels on the appropriate trees. When finished, they return the labels to the basket. Make the children learn the number 0 in words. Reinforcement worksheet on 0 can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.